Hello everyone, I Ishan, faculty CPJ College welcomes you all to the 7th Annual Law Festival Law Fiesta 2025. Today we have our two moot court judges with us, Dr. Dhruv Kaushik working as a faculty at JC College Law College and Advocate Palak Aditya working as an advocate at Delhi High Court. Hello sir, hello ma'am.
Hello ma'am, thank you so much for welcoming us in the 7th Annual Law Festival, Law Fiesta 2025.
So sir and ma'am, how's your experience to be a part of CPJ?
As I was already been in touch with CPJ since 3 years back as in faculty there, so it's a big privilege to have been there. And I just saw the theme of these moot court problem is based upon the legal, which is based upon the new laws, criminal laws, that is BNS. So it is very trending, or as we can say, it's very understanding approach for the students also.
Ma'am, how you are feeling to be a part of this event today?
It's been a fantastic thing which the college has invited me, because I'm not from Delhi, I'm from Kanpur. So it's an excellent chance and opportunity for me also to come here and judge here for the students. And in regards to the matter we have seen a current matter and a scenario which had happened here in India. So probably we have picked up this topic, and it is very good to understand for us also and for them also, to understand the entire matter.
So any tips and tricks that you want to give to our students?
Probably, I think as a practicing lawyer and them presenting as the mooters, I think they are well known how to present their case. And for us, it is very different what we do in courts and what we have in college. So probably for now, I'll hold tips and tricks for them. But probably after moots, we can see.
So according to you, if we are organizing such kind of events, is it beneficial for student community?
As the law student, as we consider for the students, as law moot court competition is one of the core event which can be organized by each and every schools of law. And CPJ is also giving that much of encouragement for organizing such a national level moot court competition to the students, for exposing them or giving a demo to the those they are doing in the after having their law degree in the course. So they having a good approach how to deal with these kind of legal parameters.
So ma'am, any word of motivation that you want to give to our participants today?
Probably all the best and present it really well.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. We are pleased to have you on the forum today with us for the event. Thank you so much.